Everyone wants to improve themselves, but to do it well, you need a clear plan. A personal self-improvement plan helps you grow in the areas that matter most to you. It turns your goals into actions. This video will guide you through simple steps to create your own plan. Step 1. Understand your current situation. Before you start improving, know where you are now. Take time to think about your strengths and weaknesses. Write down what you do well and what needs work. Be honest but kind to yourself. Knowing your starting point makes it easier to see progress. Step 2. Set clear and specific goals. Good goals are clear and specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be better," say, "I want to improve my communication skills," or "I want to read one book every month." I'd make sure your goals are realistic and important to you. This helps keep you motivated. Step 3. Break your goals into small steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Break each goal into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to exercise regularly, start by walking 10 minutes a day. Then increase the time slowly. Small steps add up to big changes over time. Step 4. Create a timeline. Decide when you want to achieve each step and your final goal. Set deadlines that are realistic but also push you to take action. A timeline keeps you focused and prevents procrastination. Step 5. Identify resources and support. Think about what you need to succeed. This can be books, courses, mentors, or even friends who encourage you. Having the right support makes the journey easier and more enjoyable. Step 6. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to record your progress. Write down what you did each day or week toward your goals. Celebrate small wins. Tracking progress helps you stay motivated and see how far you have come. Step 7. Review and adjust your plan. Life changes, and so do your priorities. Review your plan regularly. If something isn't working, change it. Be flexible and keep improving your plan as you learn more about yourself. Conclusion. Creating a personal self-improvement plan is a powerful way to grow. It helps you focus, stay motivated, and achieve your goals step by step. Remember, the most important part is to start and keep moving forward. Your future self will thank you.